In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Wix website permanently. Whether you're ready to move on from your current project or simply want to clear up some space in your Wix account, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease. Deleting a website might sound like a daunting task, but don't worry. We'll take it one step at a time to ensure everything goes smoothly. First off, you'll need to log into your Wix account, head over to wix.com, and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll see your personalized dashboard where all the magic happens. From this dashboard, you can manage your existing sites and create new ones. Next, navigate to the dashboard of the specific website you wish to delete. You might have multiple websites, so be sure to select the right one to avoid any mistakes. On your site's dashboard, look towards the left side of your screen. There, you'll find a menu with various options to manage your website. From this menu, click on Site Settings. This is where you'll find all the controls related to your website's configuration, plans, and more. This section is crucial if you want to make any administrative changes to your website. After entering your site settings, you need to look for the option to move to trash, or in some cases, it might be labeled as delete site. This option is usually located towards the bottom of the settings menu. Clicking this will initiate the deletion process, so make sure you're entirely ready to part ways with your website before proceeding. Once you've clicked on Move to Trash or Delete Site, Wix will prompt you to confirm your choice. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. You'll see a confirmation message asking if you're sure about deleting the site permanently. If you're sure, go ahead and confirm the deletion by clicking Delete. And that's it! Your Wix website has been moved to the trash or deleted as per your selection. Keep in mind that once deleted, this action is permanent and irreversible, so it's a good idea to back up any content or information you might want to keep before taking this step. By following these steps, you can easily manage and organize your Wix account, ensuring that only the websites you want remain active. Whether you're tidying up old projects or making space for new ideas, knowing how to properly delete a website is a useful skill for any Wix user. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out other videos for more tips and tricks.